Houston, we have a problem. It hasn't stopped raining for 6 weeks. Well, at least we haven't had one dry day. Yes, we had some gaps in the weather, but we had 6 weeks of rain. Rain, rain, rain. And then we got wind. Yeah, not that kind of wind, no. We got wind, the kind of wind that comes out of the sky. That we have. And as such, the tiles on my flippin' roof are blown off. Not all of them, but you know, there's some dislodged tiles up there. And I'm not going up there at the moment because it's wet and slippery and horrible. It's on the north face as well, which makes it even worse. So I'm going to have to put up with buckets because the wet stuff's coming out the ceiling. It's not very helpful. So it's wet there, got a leak up there. It's a little drip, drip, drip come from over there. And then we've got a leak coming down the back of my wooden panelling here with a clamp wall. Down there, down there, down there. And it's coming out of there. But also, it's coming out of the ceiling over there. It's also coming out of the ceiling over there. And also, it's coming out of the ceiling over the wood burner. But at least the wood burner's running and it's drying it out. Oh my giddy aunt, these things are sent to try you. And I ain't going up that flippin' roof just yet, although I feel like I should. Oh my giddy aunt, what would you do? Leave it in the comments down below. Would you risk breaking your neck up a ladder, slipping and sliding on the old clay tiles? Well, actually, take them off first and walk up the battens, but you know, and sort the roof out that way. Or would you just wait until you get a drier day and put up with the leaks in the roof? You tell me. Leave it in the comments down below. Toodaloo.